Hey everyone, today we're looking at a really short problem, the trigonometric equation, and it goes like this. It says solve for x if 10 to the sine x plus 10 to the sine x plus 1 equals to 110 for the interval minus 360 degrees to 360 degrees. So let's take that and put the question on the left and try and work it out. So here we see that on the left hand side we have a term that is an addition in the exponent. We're going to reverse that process by splitting it so that the sine x has its own base and the 1 has its own base, and this ends up being 10 to the sine x plus 10 to the sine x times 10 to the 1 equals 110. Now we see that we have created two terms where a common factor can be taken out of sine x. So we take out sine x and then we're left with 1 plus 10. The right hand remains as 110. Then 1 plus 10 is simply 11. Then 11 times 10 to the sine x equals to 110. Then to get rid of the 11, we divide both sides by 11. Then 110 divided by 11 gives us 10. Now let's take this and put it up there, clear some space. Then we see that now we have powers of the same base. We can equate exponents, so we get sine x equals to the one that is an exponent here. Then we arc sine both sides, sine inverse both sides. We get arc sine 1 plus n multiplied by 360 degrees, which is a period of sine x. N is a multiple, is an integer, any integer. So this is a general solution. The final general solution looks like this. Arc sine 1 is 90 degrees. So this is what we're going to be using to search for the values between the interval that was given in the question of minus 360 degrees to 360 degrees. So we will find that the two values for n that gives us these two values that are in between here are n equals to -1 and n is equals to 0. And they give us x is equals to -270 degrees and 90 degrees. So that is the final solution to our equation. Now let's go to Geogebra just to verify. In Geogebra, what I did is I took the left hand side of the equation and wrote it down as a function, and then the right hand side of the equation wrote it as a straight line function or parallel to the x-axis. So it's as if we are going to look for point of intersections for these two equations. So where they meet, the 2 points where they meet, the x values that of those coordinates of the points are the answers to the solution that the equation that we just solved. So this will prove that what we did there is correct and we didn't miss anything. So this is the function of 10 to the sine x plus 10 to the sine x plus 1. Then the straight line y equals to 110 gives us this. And as you can see, it passes through 110 here, which is halfway between 100 and 120. Then to verify exactly where these 2 points of intersection are, I'll use this point 2 and put a point here, and we see that the coordinates of that point is -270 as we got in the working out. Then here also, if we put a point, we see that that is 90 degrees and 110. So that is the graphical solution and the graphical proof of what we did just a few minutes ago. So please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Share this video and tell your friends about it. And I'll see you in the next one.